Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning BMW X1 diesel M Sport. It's an absolutely gorgeous Estral blue, the best colour. As you can see, it's got a full M Sport body styling kit with a deeper front rear spoiler, rear side skirts, M Sport wheels, rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, not many marks to report on this one. It's lovely. Electric tailgate, parcel shelf, boot area is in incredible condition, being well looked after. It's got the M Sport interior, as you can see, with the M Sport style stitching. Electric windows, electric mirrors, sport seats, automatic headlights, start it up, factory satellite navigation. It's done 76,528 miles, heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, different driving modes and styles, full iDrive, Bluetooth connectivity. Turn it off, stop it buzzing. At DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.